I made $9 in one day with today's application, and all I did was to grow trees. But there's a big problem with this platform. It is limited to only today. So those of you watching this video today, you are blessed. But just in case you are watching this video late, nothing to worry about. There's a big solution. You just have to watch this video to the end and trust me. So deforestation in 2024 made us lose 314 billion, which led to global tech companies like Circle and Good Work partner to help fight deforestation with a loss of 860 million per day. This is how they did it. So if I open my dashboard right here and click on my balance, as you can see, I've earned $9, all this within a day. And note, $1 is currently 16 or 15 cedis. So you can do the math and see this is how much I earned in a day. But on a normal person, you can be able to earn $3 at least on your first day. And the first thing you'd have to do is to go off, uproot a plant, replant it, and take a picture of you, post it here. Or even take a screenshot of your working activities from your phone or from Sweatcoin, if only you have Sweatcoin, and paste it here, right? And also you can go off and if just in case you stay close to a beach, take pictures of you cleaning the coast and paste it here, and you get paid $1 per each task you do. So you might be asking, how is this all possible? So we have global companies around the world that have plans to make the world a better place and are willing to pay you to do that. So all you have to do is just participate in this and you get paid. So you might be asking, how is this possible? It is through a company called Circle in partner with today's application, right? So Circle is a global finance company, right? And they are partnering with today's application to help you make some cool amounts of cash for yourself. But before everything, if you're happy with what you have seen, make sure to subscribe because we're on the road to 40,000, just 1k more to 40,000. Make sure to like this video and at least share it to a brother man, because this promo will be ending at the end of this month and we're in January. So meaning we have to hope that next month they drop exciting more promos, and that is how we can earn for today's video. So just in case you are lucky today and you're watching this video, you can participate before the day ends or even before tomorrow, and you can still be able to cash out. So after subscribing, let's begin. So the app will be on the Google Play Store and App Store. The link will be in the video description. So when you click on that link, it will take you all the way to Play Store, App Store, and allow you to create an account. And after you're done creating an account, it requires you to verify, not KYC, not like Ghana card verification or anything. You just have to enter your full name, your phone number, verify your phone number, and verify it's very easy, and it's for everyone, right? So the second thing is for you to complete a task. So when you go up to the home screen, after verification, you don't earn anything for yourself, right? So you go up to the home screen, you see tax. For now, when you scroll, you see the working tax, you see the plant a tree tax, you see the clean a coastal tax, and there are other AI websites. This app has also partnered with Microsoft to give you breathtaking skills on AI, so you can also participate in that and you as well get paid. But for today's video, let's look at working and planting a tree, right? So you click on any of them. Let's say working for today's video because that is easy for everyone. So you click on it. As you can scroll down, when you scroll down, you see earn $1 per every task, and there's a total price pool of $16,000. So when you scroll down, you see people posting screenshots of their working activities. Make sure to click on take part, click it, it will take you to your gallery, and make sure to post a screenshot of your working activities and paste it here. The app will automatically review it, and when you qualify, you get paid $1. But the exciting news is that because you use my link, you will earn an additional $1 for yourself. So that is free to us. 2 USDT, sorry. And it doesn't just end there. Go off to your backyard, take a picture of you planting a tree, paste it in the tax as well, and you as well get paid. So when you scroll all the way down, you'd see AI courses. You click on it, you take part, and with that we have bigger budgets, which is $10 per tax. Some will go as high as paying you $200 per tax. So go off and find the one that best suits you, but make sure you participate in low competition ones, the ones that do not have a lot of people. That way your chances of winning is very high. Keep watching because I've got some exciting news for you. Okay, so you might be asking, how do you withdraw your cash? So you click on your balance and the minimum withdrawal is 25 USDC. How do you withdraw to USDC? You need a Binance account. The link to Binance will be in the video description. Create a Binance account, KYC, verify yourself using your Ghana card, and after you're done, that is how you can be able to withdraw, and after your money gets to Binance, you can be able to convert it to Momo. Make sure to subscribe because more videos on Binance will be coming on how this works as well. So yes, on to the exciting news. Just in case you are watching this video before the month end, there's a referral tax ongoing where you can earn $1 per everyone you invite. But note, the person would have to verify their account and complete at least one task for you to earn your cash. So make sure to participate, share this to your boys. At least you are also helping people to also earn some free amount of cash for themselves. Okay, so yes, that is that for today's platform. Make sure to like and join my Telegram channel. That is where I drop all my updates in there. The link will be in the video description. Make sure to subscribe and share as well. My name is Clifford and I'm signing out. Boom.